Yes, they are. So since Tuesday, crypto miners across the state have been shutting off their machines in order to ease the burden on ERCOT, which is the name of the Texas power grid. The chief concern here is that, we might see a repeat of what happened in February of last year when 10 million Texans lost power. To try to prevent that from happening, Riot Blockchain has already cut their power consumption by around 99%. And I've heard from multiple other Texas miners that, they're doing the same thing. Some plan to react in real time, meaning that if ERCOT tells them to power down, they will cut off their machines within minutes. This is a major test for the industry to see if the narrative that Bitcoin miners are actually good for stabilizing the grid is true. And so far, it does appear to be working. ERCOT's website shows grid demand in real time. And as of now, they say there is enough power for current demand. Kelly?
But, as much as I applaud their efforts, couldn't they lose a lot of money doing this? Are they being compensated somehow?
Yes, exactly. So miners are technically losing money every second that their machines are offline, which is why the Texas grid actually pays these miners a premium to cut power. And the question that always comes up, Kelly, is why does ERCOT even need additional demand on the grid anyway? And the answer is that flexible energy buyers like crypto miners are really useful when there is very little demand for electricity, like at night. Basically, having more miners and having more flexible buyers helps to even out supply and demand so that you don't see electricity prices either surge or go negative.
Yeah, no, absolutely. So what does it all mean for the price of Bitcoin itself if the mining behavior is affected for this stretch?
It actually probably doesn't mean much. The supply delta from changing the pace of mining is typically minimal. Just look at what happened in Kazakhstan a couple weeks ago. It is one of the biggest Bitcoin mining destinations on the planet. And amid political turmoil, miners across the country went totally offline, and it didn't do much to the price of Bitcoin. But as for those crypto miners, Riot Blockchain and Marathon Digital are down by more than 4% today, and both are 34% lower so far this year.
True, and that's a point to watch if they continue to feel this stress. Mackenzie, thanks so much. It's fascinating. We appreciate it.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.